For problem number 30, they ask whether the product of radical 3 and radical 9 is rational or irrational. They want us to explain our answer. So the first thing to know, the word product means multiply, and rational is a number that either ends or repeats, or it can be, you can write it as a fraction, so you've got 1/3 would turn into a repeating decimal of 0.333, that is rational, and irrational would be when it never ends or never repeats. So numbers like pi, radical 2, radical 3 are irrational numbers. So really, let's look at our product situation. So radical 3 times radical 9. Well, I know that radical 9 is just 3, so this can be written as 3 square roots of 3, and 3 square root is an irrational number. It is something that never ends and never repeats, and 3 times a number that never ends and never repeats is just going to be a bigger number that never ends and never repeats. So I know it's actually proven that a rational number times an irrational number is irrational. That is enough to go on at this point. Some students will go under and they'll start to write, okay, 3 times 9 gives me square root of 27, and they'll show that that number never ends and never repeats. That's okay too, but really, you know, the square root of 9 is 3, so why not just write it as 3 square roots of 3? Either way, make sure you let us know a rational number times an irrational is irrational.